The company Rojek presented its excellent woodworking machines in their 2 production series at the trade fair Pragoligna. We're going to focus on machines from the Euro 9 series. In the Euro 9 series, we produced traditional woodworking machines such as the panel saw, the spindle molder, and the combined planer and thicknesser. The basic type of panel saw is the PK250A and can be equipped with a table between 1.2 and 2 meters long. This machine can also be equipped with outrigger and telescopic arm, even with digital indication for rip fence as an option to measure the distance of the material precisely. In the Euro 9 series, we produce the spindle molder, which is equipped with a spindle that tilts between -5 and 45 degrees. It has a 3.7 kilowatt motor at its base. The combined planer and thicknesser is another machine from this series, the MSP 315 and the 415. These machines come with a 4 knives cutter head and with a thicknessing height of 230 mm. The machines are typically fitted with a 3.7 kilowatt motor. Another type of machine in the Euro 9 series are the combined KPFN and KPSN machines. The KPFN series is equipped with a circular saw and a spindle molder. The KPSN is equipped with a planer and a thicknesser, where the customer can choose a cutter head width of 300 or 400 mm. A part of customer service is high quality and quick servicing, which is provided by highly trained technicians in the Czech Republic, Slovakia, and everywhere where we export Rojek machines to. Rojek has been delivering its machines to dozens of countries around the world for 96 years now. All the machines are produced in the Czech Republic, using the best tried and tested materials and components. The brand name Rojek is a guarantee of excellent Czech and European quality. Contact us at Rojek. We'll be pleased to provide you with more information.